Thank you very much for your attention and see you next. Today I will also explain some tips of containers and their characteristics. For example, this container of the yogurt. Yeah. First container is a one is a drum, meaning is tambo. It is a cylindrical container used for shipping bulk cargo. They are generally used for the transportation and storage of liquid and powders. The other container is the box, meaning is caja. Usually made is cardboard. They are used to transport the objects of not much weight behind our machinery. Yeah, this container is more utility for Amazon. The other container is a bin. The meaning is compartimiento. It is found in the factories made to save specific waste. It's paint different colors to note its meaning into. Yeah, the other container is the tank. They are stored liquids such as water, chlorine, or some non-corrosive chemical compound. The next container is the amber glass, vidrio de color ámbar. Um, Useful when your product is light sensitive. The amber color absorbs harm of rays UV wavelengths, protecting your product from light damage. Because of this, amber colored glass is often used for beer, certain drugs, and essential oil. The other container is the jar, meaning is the tarot, serves to store a large number of objects for solids and liquids, a grand big variety of the products. The next container is the sprayer, uh, pulverizador, meaning it's a tool that will spray liquid materials such as fertilizer, pesticide, herbicide, or even water. Aerosol can, meaning is the latter aerosol, designed to dispense the liquid contained as a mist or foam. Yeah, the other container is the can, meaning is LATA. It's a multicast-based communication protocol, multi-master characterized by the deterministic resolution of the combination, low cost, and simple implementation. The other product is tin, is titanium, shiny malleable metal that resists corrosion. It is using in alloys with other metals, such as combining design copper to make bronze. Then is used in the manufacturing of glass and for making solder and car parts. Atomizer, meaning is atomizador, is a base that produces a fine spray from a liquid moss. Combustor employ an atomizer in which fuel is forced unit high pressure through an orifice. The next container is a wash bottle, uh, botella de agua. It's a squeeze bottle with a nose used to rinse various pieces of laboratory glass water such as the test tubes and round bottle flags. The next container is the your glass for the transport of virus. It is a robust liquid container made from pressed steel. The next material is the carton, meaning is caja de cartón, or container usually made of paperboard and sometimes of corrugated fiberboard. The next container is the pot, olla or bote. It is a deep round container used for cooking, stew, soups, and other foods. And Finnish container, or more specifically, is the transporter. Its meaning is tubo, a long hollow cylinder of metal, plastic, glass for holding or transportation, sometimes chiefly liquids or gases. Thanks. Hello, how are you? My name is González Velázquez José Fernando. I am to present the second project. I am to explain the substance. The first substance is the lubricant, meaning is lubricant, a substance that you put on the surface that roll together, especially parts of a machine, in order to make the movie smoothly and easily. For example, the oil. Second substance is actually a brand, is an international brand of various materials from Henkel Technologies for use in conversation and medicine, and functional coating that are certain for use on aluminum, magnesium, and other non-ferrous materials for corrosion protection and paint adhesion. The other substance is the fluorescent magnetic particles, is a non-destructive examination in the technique use no detected surface and slightly surface flow in most ferromagnetic material such as iron, nickel and cobalt, and some of the other alloys. The other substance is the penetrant liquid. It's a one of non-destructive test which can detect surface breaking defects such as healing cracks, surface porosity, leak in new products, and fatigue crack. It can change invisible defect to visible defect by using liquid dye. The other substance, and my favorite, is the carbon fiber. This is a polymer and is sometimes known as graphic fiber. Is made of thin, strong, crystalline filament of carbon that used to string material. The other interesting material, it's more common in the industry aeronautic, is the product made from polymers are around us, clothing made from synthetic fiber, polymer cups, fiberglass, nylon, bearing, plastic bag, polymer-based paint, epoxy glue, polyurethane from precision, silicone hair bulbs, and Teflon contain cookware. The list is almost endless. Other substance is the resin. Resin are regularly used in building as adhesive, coating as a construction material when a strong bond required. Fiberglass. It is impact resistant, corrosion resistant, and has moderate high strength to wiggly ratio. It is very flexible and can be made into various shapes which add to it household value. Other substance is the emulsifier in food. Any of numerous chemical additives that encourage the suspension of one liquid in another, as in the mixtures of oil and water in margarine, shortening, ice cream, and salad dressing. The paint is used for to cover the surface of sometimes with paint as decoration of the protection. Ethyl ketone is a liquid solvent used in surface coating adhesives, printing, link, chemical instrumentation, magnetic tapes, and lube oil dewaxing agents. Vaseline is using moisten glass called corrosion for inhibiting condition lip finish wood, protect and prevent moisture loss, and as a release agent for plus mold and casting rubber automobile and general industry sector. Grease are applied to mechanicals that can be lubricant only infrequently and where an lubricant oil will not stay in position. To finish, substance is the acetone. It's a potent and versatile chemical solvent used across many industries, including industries manufacturing, in which the most common industries use of acetone is as cleaning and degrease agent.